Like this, you can do it for 3 to 5 times. Then Udgit Pranayam. Breathe in deeply. Take a deep breath in like this, 3 to 5 times every day, Udgit Pranayam. Then meditate on Om, being silent, being a witness, with ease of feeling. Look at the speed of respiration. Raise both your hands, rub them together, and the warmth of the energy of palms, place it on the eyes, open your eyes. Like this, do this pranayam every day. Then important, Mandukasana, Shashakasana, Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Uttana Padasana, Pavan Muktasana, Markatasana. These 7 asanas and 7 light exercises. 7 light exercises, open both legs in front. Press the feet front and back like this. This process is very important for feet. This is to remove the stiffness in the body. After pranayam, do this every day. With this, the joints in the body will always remain healthy. And then butterfly. This practice is important for the legs. Pressing of legs forward and backward, rotating them, and this butterfly. And 5 exercise for hands for cervical spondylitis pain. Every day do the process of these 7 light exercises. If you have got too much of constipation, then you can also take 3 to 5 leaves of Ati Bala morning, evening on an empty stomach. There are 4 species of Bala. Out of that, one is Ati Bala. You may take even 4 leaves, the way we told you about wheatgrass juice. Similarly, Ghrit Kumari, aloe vera's juice also you can take. Gulkand. Gulkand that is made these days. After this butterfly, 5 practices for cervical spondylitis. Do these every day. With this, you'll be tension-free. Entire stress of the body will disappear. Number 2, rotate like this. Gulkand is also very good for constipation, but if Gulkand is made of sugar crystals, then it's better. You can make it at home with rose flowers. Rose flowers and sugar crystals, mix them and put it in the sun. That's all. It's made without water. You just have to avoid water. Gulkand is also very good. Make a big circle. Earlier, these small things women used to know. Small children, when they used to have constipation, then what did mothers do? Big harad. When the cow delivers for the first time, when cow becomes mother for the first time, or even after, the cows, the milk on the first day of delivery, raise both the hands up. Those days they used to soak big harad, and that harad, after soaking, they would rub it and give it to small children. For constipation, it is very good. Give anti-pressure. Anti-pressure against each other. Shankha Prakshalan process. This is also very good for constipation. Now millions and billions of people can't be made to do that process. A group of small people can be made to do that practice. Shankha Prakshalan. After drinking water, 5 asanas are practiced. Now you have to do main asana for constipation. We'll tell you. You must do these every day. If the constipation is chronic, then do it for 5 times, 10 times, 15 times. Important practice of Mandukasana. Kapalabhati and Mandukasana main practice. Thumbs in, fingers on top. Place the fists on either side of navel. Exhale breath and bend forward. If there's backache, then don't bend forward. Just remember this. Mandukasana's first posture, you can do it from 5 to 15 times if the constipation is chronic. Constipation, all the problems of stomach, problem of diabetes, etc. also will be removed by this. Left hand's palm on the navel, right about that. Then come back. All the problems of stomach, gas, acidity, etc. all problems becomes all right with this. So, in the practices of 7 asanas, first of all do Mandukasana, which is very good for the stomach. After this, Shashakasana, Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Uttana Padasana, Pavan Muktasana, Naukasana, etc. asanas you can practice. We have devised a special program for yoga, 7 asanas, 7 pranayams, light exercises, and for that we have made a special program. You can see those. At last, after Mandukasana, while doing Shashakasana practice, we'll go towards the conclusion of today's program. Today, we told you constipation. Along with constipation, all the problems of stomach, gas, indigestion, dyspepsia, etc. about these problems. Constipation, gastric, acidity, etc. along with all the problems of stomach. We gave you insight about piles also. I think you'll be healthy yourself, and through these methods, you'll inspire others to become healthy. This is our commitment. Let us be healthy. Let us make the whole country healthy. And for this alone, we taught yoga all over the country. Through Astha, millions of people in the country learned yoga. Electronic media was also useful, beneficial. Millions of people were liberated. Let us again make this country a country of sages. Once again, a healthy India. India following on the values, spiritual India, and that India where not a single person used to fall sick, who never died an untimely death. Come, let us be healthy, and to make others healthy, let's echo in the whole world the slogan of Yogam Sharanam Gacchami.